Hey, this is a video of me showing the charging power of the 308 Duo and my 24 volt 62 amp power supplies. Here I have two 6S 8000 milliamp batteries. They're in parallel on the Duo. They're also in charging parallel on both ports on the 308 Duo for a combined output power of 50 amps. And 1300 watts. I also have my kilowatt meter in the mix to show how much the power supplies are drawing from the wall. Right now the power supply is at idle, is drawing about 23 watts from the wall. Go ahead and show the power supplies down there. Alright, let's see, go ahead and start this up. Alright, you should see it's at 50 amps over there. So let's go ahead and start this up. I'm going ahead and set this in my device here to record everything. Okay, here we have the charger over here charging at 1200 watts so far. It's drawing 1530 from the wall. The power supply is putting out 56 amps. And the voltage on the power supply is 23.7. It's drawing 14.64 amps from the wall. The voltage is 104, which that's the AC voltage coming out of the wall. It's sagged down from 120 all the way down to 104. So there's a huge load that's on the power supply. The power factor correction is 0.99, so it's the best that it can possibly get without it being a perfect one. Just showing 60 hertz. I'm gonna just let this play out for the duration of the charge. Again, I'm charging a 6S, two 8000 milliamp batteries in parallel. They were pretty discharged. They were probably down to about 15–20%. And so I'm just charging those back all the way up at 50 amps. And this is the 308 Duo. And the 308 Duo is hooked up to my 24 volt 62 amp power supply. Currently drawing 56 amps. Kilowatt is saying that I'm approaching the limit of the circuit. So basically it says 1556 watts. And that's 15 amps from the wall. Okay, the charger is pulling 58 amps from the 62 amp power supply. And we're creeping up on 1270 some odd watts on the charger and 1612, 15 watts from the wall.